Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you or show you how to convert USDT ERC20 to BNB in Trust Wallet. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. To convert USDT or Tether from ERC20 to BNB or Binance Coins in Trust Wallet, we can use a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap. So here's how you do it. So first of all, you need to open Trust Wallet. So launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Now obtain BNB. So before converting USDT to BNB, ensure that you have BNB tokens in your Trust Wallet. If you don't have any BNB, you can buy or transfer some BNB to your Trust Wallet. So you can use a centralized exchange or any other platform that allows you to acquire BNB. Now you need to access PancakeSwap. So open the DApp's decentralized applications browser within Trust Wallet. Look for the browser icon at the bottom of the screen. So the icon resembles a globe, okay? And tap on it. In the browser, search for PancakeSwap or enter the PancakeSwap website URL. Now, what you need to do is you need to connect your Trust Wallet. So within the Pancake interface, you will see a Connect Wallet button. Tap on it and select the option to connect with Trust Wallet. So this will establish a connection between PancakeSwap and your Trust Wallet. After that, select the trading pair. So on the PancakeSwap interface, locate the trading pair selection section. So you will need to choose the appropriate pair to swap USDT for BNB. Look for the USDT/BNB trading pair and select it. Now set up and swap. So in the swap interface, enter the amount of USDT you want to convert to BNB. The interface will show you the estimated amount of BNB you will receive based on the current exchange rate and liquidity. Review the details carefully, okay? So after you've done that, confirm the swap. So after reviewing the details, you can proceed to confirm the swap. Follow the prompts on the PancakeSwap interface to approve the transaction and initiate the swap. Confirm the transaction within Trust Wallet by reviewing the transaction details and confirming it. Wait for the swap to complete. So the swap process may take a few moments to complete, depending on network congestion and other factors. You can monitor the progress on the PancakeSwap interface or in your Trust Wallet transaction history. Now, verify your BNB balance. So once the swap is successfully completed, you should see the BNB tokens reflected in your Trust Wallet's BNB wallet. You can navigate to the Wallet or Assets section in Trust Wallet and find the BNB wallet to verify the balance. Remember to consider transaction fees, network congestion, and market conditions when performing any swaps or conversions. So it is recommended to double check the details before confirming any transactions. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.